Hi, I'm Vidya. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Wishing a very happy new year to all educators who are shaping the future of learning. Now, let's move to today's educational news. CBSE issues Reminder 1 for conduct of Class 10 and 12 practical examinations, projects and internal assessments from 1st January to 14 February 2026, mandates same-day upload of marks, use of board-appointed external examiners, participation of CWSN and national international sports students, strict adherence to guidelines, and revised remuneration for exam functionaries. CBSE, in collaboration with Intel, to organize free online artificial intelligence boot camps for Class 9 and 10 students from 12 to 28 January 2026, focused on Python coding, followed by online mentoring sessions from 2nd to 4th February 2026. Schools directed to register students through official registration link. Pariksha Pe Charcha 2026 records over 3 crore registrations ahead of 11 January deadline, making it the largest edition yet. PM's 9th annual exam interaction to focus on stress management and motivation. CBSE, in collaboration with Intel, to conduct free online capacity building programs on artificial intelligence for teachers of Class 9 from 12 to 14 January and 2nd to 4th February 2026, and for Class 10 from 27 to 30 January 2026, schools to nominate teachers who haven't attended earlier, registration to be done via official link. CBSE to host culmination event of Skill Expo and Guidance Festival 2025-26 on 28 January 2026 at the Entrepreneurship Development Institute, Ahmedabad. Position holders of 15 regional Skill Expos eligible for Skill Expo participation, while principals, teachers, and students may attend Guidance Festival sessions by experts. Registration open via official CBSE link. NCERT to conduct non-exam foundational learning study for Class 3 students in selected Delhi schools during February. March 2026 to assess basic literacy and numeracy skills, joint initiative with Delhi SCERT to improve classroom practices under NEP 2020. CBSE to conduct free offline training and capacity building program for library and information science teachers on 10 January 2026 at Lucknow and Pune, and on 17 January 2026 at Jhansi. Teachers of library and information science and other tech-oriented subjects may register via official link, no fee or travelling allowance and dearness allowance. New Delhi World Book Fair 2026 to be held January 10 to 18 at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi, organized by the National Book Trust, India, with ITPO as co-organizer, featuring 1,000+ publishers, 3,000+ stalls, theme and children's pavilions, authors' corners, and 600+ events. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 7170700100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.